Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be using some pallets and a sheet of rough construction ply to make a backyard outdoor bar. The first thing I did was to cut out the top of the bar because I wanted to use the top as the outline for the shape of the bar. So basically I'm just going to build the bar from top to bottom. I know it might sound odd, but I think this is going to be the quickest way for me. As you can see, I attached the first piece of frame on the top. So now I'm just going to add the construction ply to the frame. I'm building a polygon shaped bar with 3 sides, so now I'm attaching the other side. So now I'm going to add the ply to the frame on this side. As you can see, I use the pallets to create the frame for the bar, then I use the rough construction ply as the facing wood for the bar. Now that the bar is fully framed, I'm just going to use these strips of wood to join the pieces together and to reinforce the bar to make it much stronger. I'm also going to add 2 shelves in the middle to help with the reinforcement. I'm now going to add these pieces of wood to stabilize the bar at the front. Then I'm going to add a platform on it to create a footrest. Now that the bar is fully completed, I'm now using some oil paint to paint the bar in black. I'm going to use these flat strips to create a design on the front of the bar, so I'm now spraying these in gold. It's been 24 hours and the oil-based paint has been dried, so I'm now epoxying the top of the bar. I'm using epoxy resin and the base color is black. So now I'm adding the gold color to it. Check out my channel for other detailed video on epoxy. I'll link some of them in the description down below. Now I'm using the heat gun to pop the bubbles. So guys, remember that this is an outdoor bar and it's gonna absorb a lot of sun and moisture. It's gonna be outside in the rain. So I think the epoxy on top gonna make it more durable and it's gonna give it a nice glossy finish. After 4 hours, I'm now adding the clear coat on top. So now I'm going to leave it to dry for 24 hours and about 48 hours to cure. After the epoxy has been cured, I'm now adding the gold strips to the front of the bar. I'm creating a design. So these are the strips that I sprayed a few days earlier. So I'm just gonna use some wood glue and brad nails to attach the strips to the bar. So guys, this is how the bar turned out. This is the back section with the 2 shelves. So these are the 2 shelves I attached to stabilize the bar. So as you can see, it is looking a bit rough. Remember, I used pallet wood to do the frame. So the back part, you're gonna see all the pallet wood at the back. So it has a very old rustic look at the back. So now this is a front design. This is how it turned out with the flat strips. The flat board strips, I sprayed them in gold. So this is how it turned out. Top is looking so shiny, bright and beautiful. I love the outcome of the top. The epoxy resin, the color, the pigment that I use, it has some little like galaxy design in it, like some stars design, so it is giving off like a galaxy look on top. So I like the design, and I also added some gold leaf on top also. In the next clip you'll get to see how it looks in the day. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to leave a thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to share with a friend, subscribe. Bye. I'll see you in the next one.